Hello, everybody. Just to let you know, I have a beginner's walking for fitness course starting. So if you haven't exercised in a while and looking for a low impact way to exercise, this is the session for you. So it's free to residents in Baines. So that also includes Keynsham, and it's free to those because it's funded by Baines as well. So if you want to get out, meet some friends and enjoy the benefits of walking, I invite you to join. I'll pop the link below, but you can also contact me and I can send it through to you as well. So enjoy the springtime with us. So it's the 10th of May and it runs for 8 weeks. So if you're feeling a bit tired and worn out and you want to get moving again, we'd love for you to join us. We'd be probably walking about 40 minutes, having a rest, and then another 40 minutes. So thank you for watching. Any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.